how to extract a folder without 7-zip or Winrar. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can extract without your Winrar or your 7-zip. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button for click command and stay tuned for more. So let's begin. First, head over to the file location where you have the compressed file. So this is the folder right here. So if you want to extract this, there is already a print build extractor here. So just right click on this, right click on the folder, and after you right click on the folder, you will see Winrar is right here. But since we are not using Winrar nor we are using 7-zip, we'll just head over to this extract button and tap on extract. Now simply choose your file location and tap on extract, and this should start extracting. And it's that simple guys. As you can see, it's now extracting, and that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.